I don't know, Kurt. Don't you think you might be overreacting?
If anything, I am underreacting. Starchild is trying to take over the band. The soul of Pamela Lansbury is hanging in the balance. It all started when Elliot scored an interview in the Village Voice. And he said, "I feel so alive right now. Nothing means more to me than my band."
That's great, isn't it?
He's calling it his band, Blaine. Okay, and not 5 minutes ago do I get a text from him that says, "Oh my God, I just wrote a new song that we have, in all caps, got to do." I mean, he's a psychopath.
Kurt, I gotta go. But look, if you're really concerned about Elliot, don't let on, even for a second. Remember the old adage, keep your friends close and your enemies closer? I love you.
All right, ladies, remember, we got band rehearsal tonight.
Kurt, I'm sorry, I can't.
Wait, what? Why?
Santana, don't start with me right now. They're auditioning my understudy today, and I have to be there. I told them it's ridiculous because it's not like I'm ever gonna miss a performance or anything. Just, it must be an insurance thing, right?
Okay, well, hold up. If Barry's not coming, then neither am I.
Guys, we're in a band. We have to practice.
Kurt, I would think that you would understand all of the emotional stress that I'm under right now, and I need you guys to just be a little supportive. It's really hard being a star.